In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an out-of-office message on Ionos webmail. Whether you're planning a vacation, attending a conference, or simply stepping away from your email for a few days, setting up an out-of-office message can help manage the expectations of those trying to reach you. Today, we'll walk through the process on Ionos, step by step, ensuring that you can keep people informed without having to constantly check your inbox. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Ionos account. To do this, start by clicking on the Sign In button. This should be readily visible when you visit the Ionos homepage. Clicking this will bring you to the next crucial step, choosing your account type. Here you want to select Customer Account and then proceed to Sign In. When you've reached the login page, you're going to need to enter your webmail email address. Do this carefully to avoid any errors that could prevent you from logging in successfully. After inputting your email, click on the Next button to move forward. At this stage, there's an important redirection that takes place. You'll be brought over to the webmail page, and it's key not to be surprised or confused by this. Yes, you'll need to enter your email address once more. It might seem like a loop, but it's just how the system verifies your credentials safely. After re-entering your email, click on Next again. Now it's time for a critical security step, entering your password. Make sure you type in the correct password associated with your webmail account. Once done, click Next to advance. Following successful authentication, your next goal is to navigate to the settings where you can set up your out-of-office message. Look towards the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon, which is your gateway to these settings. After locating and clicking on this gear icon, you'll be ready for the next step in the process. Your attention should now be directed towards the vacation notice option within the settings menu. Clicking this will get you one step closer to informing your contacts when you're away. After you've accessed the vacation notice settings, the system will prompt you to provide details for your out-of-office message. This is where you concoct the message that will be automatically sent in response to incoming emails during your specified absence period. Start by clicking on the option to highlight it, indicating you're editing this part of your settings. The next steps involve personalizing your out-of-office message. Begin by clicking on the subject field. This is what your recipients will see first, so make it clear and concise. A simple out of office or on leave should do, but feel free to add a personal touch as you see fit. Following the subject, you'll need to click on the message field to draft the body of your automatic reply. This is where you can add details such as the duration of your absence and alternative contact information if urgent matters arise. Being thorough yet brief is key here. Once you are satisfied with the subject and body of your out-of-office message, the final step is to save your changes. To do this, look for the Apply Changes button. Clicking this will activate your out-of-office reply, ensuring that it goes out in response to any new emails you receive while you're away. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your out-of-office message on Ionos. Before wrapping up, here's a tip. Double check the start and end dates for your out-of-office message to ensure it aligns with your plans. It's easy to overlook, but doing so can save you from potential misunderstandings with your contacts. I hope this guide has been helpful in preparing for your time away from your inbox. The out-of-office message is a simple yet powerful tool for maintaining communication while ensuring you can disconnect, relax, or focus on other tasks without worry. If you have any questions or need further assistance, remember that Ionos has a support team ready to help. Enjoy your time off, and when you return, your email will be waiting for you, just as you left it, only with an out-of-office message to keep things in order.